Today I am reviewing the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16650 wireless printer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16650 wireless wide-format color all-in-one SuperDank printer is a professional-grade powerhouse that blends performance, efficiency, and convenience into one sleek machine, making it a fantastic choice for both office and home users who demand the best from their printing equipment. Right away, one of the most impressive aspects of this printer is its EcoTank design, which completely eliminates the need for traditional cartridges. Instead, it uses high-yield ink bottles, which means there's zero cartridge waste, drastically reducing environmental impact and long-term costs. The included set of ink bottles is so efficient that you can print up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 in color before ever needing a refill, which is an incredible value for high-volume printing needs. This also means you'll spend far less time worrying about running out of ink during important print jobs. The EcoTank Pro ET-16650 isn't just about savings. It's also about delivering truly premium print quality. Powered by Epson's PrecisionCore Heat-Free Technology, it produces sharp, crisp text and vibrant, rich colors that are perfect for both documents and full-color graphics. The pigment-based Epson DURA Bright inks ensure that every print is instant dry, smudge-resistant, and long-lasting. Whether you're printing black and white text, vivid color flyers, or borderless photos up to 11 by 17 inches in size. For businesses and creative professionals, the wide format capability is a game changer, allowing you to print up to 13 by 19 inches and scan or copy up to 11 by 17 inches, opening up endless possibilities for posters, blueprints, brochures, and more. Speed is another area where the ET-16650 shines. With print speeds of up to 25 ISO pages per minute for both black and color, you'll breeze through even large print jobs without long waits. This speed is complemented by its large 500-sheet paper capacity, split between two front trays, plus a rear specialty feed for unique paper types, meaning fewer interruptions for reloading. Productivity is further enhanced with automatic two-sided printing, copying, scanning, and faxing, saving time and reducing paper waste. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen makes navigation and setup a breeze, while hands-free voice-activated printing adds a futuristic convenience for quick tasks. Connectivity is another major strength. This printer offers the ultimate wireless solution, supporting Wi-Fi Direct for network-free printing, as well as Ethernet for stable wired connections, making it easy to integrate into virtually any workspace. Security is taken seriously too, with WPA2 wireless encryption, user-initiated data erase options, and network protocol disablement to protect sensitive information. For peace of mind, Epson backs the EcoTank Pro ET-16650 with a 2-year limited warranty upon registration, ensuring reliable service and support. Whether you're running a busy office, managing a creative business, or simply want the ultimate home printer that can handle any challenge, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16650 is built to deliver exceptional results every time. It's environmentally friendly, cost-effective, lightning-fast, and packed with features that make printing, scanning, copying, and faxing effortless. In short, it's a smart investment for anyone who values quality, efficiency, and versatility in their printing solutions, and it's a model that will keep up with your needs for years to come without compromising on performance or print quality.